Hey, this is going to be my first attempt with this wheel, the new wheel.
A little ball.
Is that too much? It's too
Nope.
much.
Maybe a little bit too much, yes. You can use this or the sponge to clean your hands as you go.
Slap. Which is what I would do on a normal wheel.
Yeah. This is so cool.
Okay.
Are you going to do righty?
Sure.
Okay.
So I'm trying to center this first.
You're doing it. You just kind of got to go easy with it.
Thanks.
Nice. It's just a real gradual approach, you see.
Yeah. It has a delicate touch. But that's pretty good.
Yeah. I like it. I like the way it makes me think
Concentrate.
differently. And maybe use some muscles that I don't normally use in my hands. You can use as much water as you want, but every once in a while you can just sop some up if you need to. That's awesome. That's the wrong word to use.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's not awesome because awesome for
It's lit.
it's lit.
This party is so lit.
Yeah, you can use any of those tools over there.
I think I will.
They all work pretty good, even that little stick. Look at using your pinky finger.
Try to pull.
There you go.
I think it's a two-handed approach.
Yeah, you can throw with one hand or you can throw with... Yeah, there you go. Don't forget your needle tools over there if you need to trim it.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, that looks like a classic Patrick shirt.
Yeah, it's all lopsided.
Yeah, but I mean the
It is.
shape and the curve.
Yeah, it's totally me.
Nice. So cool. Nice. Is it fun?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We should get all the wheels of different sizes for all over the house.
Mm-hmm.
There's smaller wheels for on tabletops that are bigger than these. Just depends on your purpose.
I think you're done.
Nice.
No.
And some of the things can be smoothed after they get harder.
Yeah. That's better. That's pretty good.
That's pretty nice for your first attempt.
Not terrible. Alright, so now we have to use the
Wire tool.
giant stick tool.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I don't have a smaller one yet. Maybe we can make some.
Yeah.
Of a bamboo skewer, would that work?
If we sharpen
It is sharp.
it. Actually, now I'm trying to get the clay to come away from it. So.
So this is where it gets stopped, so you have to be real careful.
Mm-hmm.
So cool.
Maybe I turn it off and just do this.
Yeah. Can you do that? Is it moving without?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nice. All right, let's turn this
Wire
all
tool.
the way off. Okay. Well, that's a twist. These are just
I know,
hold it
not
flat.
wire tool.
Well, you need to use a wire tool first.
Just to do the first initial
Yeah.
cut. Thanks, babe.
Then you can pull it back out, and then you can use it. Maybe it would just work with the metal thing.
No,
Try it next time.
no, I broke the bottom.
So we'll patch it. Patch it.
Mm.
That's cool.
It does look like one of mine.
Yeah, it does.
Mm-hmm. Oh, here, show the camera.
Yeah.
So imagine that 5 times larger, and that's one of my
that's as
classic
big as-
light shapes.
Yeah.
Would be like go big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yep.
You want to do more?
That's good. I'll start with that.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I'm going to clean up a little bit.